Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this 2022 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. One amazing vehicle, 400 horsepower, all-wheel drive, absolutely gorgeous sport luxury coupe. And unfortunately 2022 is the last year for the Q60. There's no more new ones. So if you're looking for a nice Q60, this very low mileage, only 12,000 miles, recently retired out of our loaner car fleet, now certified pre-owned, is a great one to consider. I started working at Infiniti of Tacoma right around September of 2005. Right around then, the G35 Coupe, which eventually evolved into the Q60, was our best-selling new vehicle. We sold more G35 Coupes than any other Infiniti model, the G37, the M Series, the FX, the QX56. But the times have changed an awful lot. American consumers love crossover SUVs. Even sedans don't even seem to sell as well as they used to, and coupes are way less in demand, unfortunately. You do have to give up some practicality for a coupe, but for those who really want the maximum in style, it's hard to beat the Q60. This thing is absolutely beautiful. We'll take it for a spin. We'll do a little walk around on this Q60 Red Sport 400. This is an absolutely beautiful example. Nice color combination, slate gray on this black leather interior. We have a moonroof, beautiful carbon fiber trim. Only transmission available is a 7-speed automatic transmission. It's a great transmission. You can put it in manual mode, and you get rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. But when you get the Red Sport, you also get these steering wheel paddle shifters, so you can take control of the 7 forward gears that way as well. The steering wheel is power adjustable. We have adaptive cruise control. You notice here we'll have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. For driver's assistance, we have a distance control assist, which will encourage you to slow down with fast approaching traffic. We have blind spot warning. We have lane departure warning, and we have forward emergency braking. We also have a drive mode selector here, so it has presets. So you have the switch here, so you can access presets: Snow, Eco, Standard, Sport, Sport Plus, Personal. This will make changes to the transmission. This has a digital dynamic suspension. It'll make changes to the suspension, steering effort. And you can also personalize it yourself. You can access the drive mode selector here, and you can make individual changes if you want to the engine and transmission. You can make changes to the steering. You can make changes to the suspension. Active trace control helps brake each individual wheel to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. The Q60 Red Sport 400 is the real deal. All the way down to its bones, you find lots of amazing sports car DNA. It shares its platform with the Nissan Z. In fact, the new redesigned Nissan Z shares the same twin turbo V6 and a lot of other platform components, suspension components. But the nice thing about this, you can get the twin turbo V6 in the Q60 all the way back to 2017. It wasn't until more recently they started putting that engine in the redesigned Z. This is a fantastic engine, twin turbo, 400 horsepower. Look at the absolutely beautiful lines on this Q60. It is an absolutely beautiful vehicle, one of the best looking vehicles on the road. I have not heard anyone call this vehicle ugly. With the Red Sport, you have a more aggressive wheel and tire package. You have larger brakes. This is built on the advanced Infiniti platform, the same platform that they built the 370Z on, the new Z. And pretty much the sportiest Infiniti products we've seen over the last 20 years have been built on this platform. What's special about the advanced Infiniti platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. That helps it rotate on its axis, and it helps improve the handling and feel through the corners. This thing is a wonderful luxury automobile, but when you take this through some corners, you put it through its paces, which we'll do in a little bit, you'll see that this thing is a very rewarding sports car to drive as well. Beautiful styling on the rear. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. And the all-wheel drive system actually has a lot of sports car pedigree too. It actually goes all the way back to the R32 Skyline. This all-wheel drive system was derived for. This all-wheel drive system is not just designed to improve your wet weather traction in snowy and wet slippery weather. It's also designed to improve your performance. This Tesla all-wheel drive system, which stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System, advanced total traction engineering system for all terrain helped bring that R32 Skyline into many of racing success in the Japanese and European touring car series. We've seen this all-wheel drive system in a lot of Infiniti products. So what's special about it is under normal driving conditions, it is 100% rear-wheel drive. As soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. It uses an advanced electromagnetic differential. It sends electrical current to that differential, activating the all-wheel drive system. Electricity travels really fast, so the all-wheel drive system can activate in milliseconds. That's how they get it to operate so quickly. It is amazing. It will make this thing drive awesome in wet, slippery conditions. You can take advantage of the 400 horsepower in wet, slippery conditions like this. We'll see in a minute when we get behind the wheel for a drive. And on the occasional jaunts in the snow, even though this has kind of high-performance tires, 400 horsepower, this thing does surprisingly well in the snow. Here's some video footage of me driving a Q50 Red Sport, a four-door version of this, and some rare lowland snow we got a few years ago, and it does remarkably well. You don't necessarily have to put snow tires in this vehicle with this amazing all-wheel drive system. Obviously, it will definitely improve it if you're going to drive over steep, winter passes and stuff like that. And really, the only thing that limits you is the ground clearance. Obviously, you don't want to get this thing up to the to the rocker panel, since no, it'll get stuck. But just as long as you have enough ground clearance, this thing is going to have oodles and oodles of traction. Let's get behind the wheel and take it for a spin. All right, here we are taking this 2022 Q60 Red Sport 400 all-wheel drive out for a spin. Got the drive mode selected in Sport Plus, the sportiest drive setting. Always a welcome time to be behind the wheel of a Q60. Very responsive steering, so comfortable, great visibility. One of the great of the last analog sports cars. The engine's very responsive. You have a nice, wonderful sounding engine note, exhaust note, but not too loud to be obnoxious and obtrusive. All right. Obviously, no issue at all getting up to speed, even in the wet. Absolutely zero wheel spin. I didn't even see the traction control system going at all. Track's really nice down the road. Very quiet in the interior. Very responsive. You step on the gas, downshifts very quickly, takes right off. And then you can use the steering wheel paddle shifters. You just start downshifting using the paddle shifters. It'll go right in the manual shift mode. You can see you get the rev mass downshift, so it won't over rev the engine, won't hurt it. And it's fun. It doesn't override you. Some of the manual settings on these automatic transmissions, it'll shift the gears for you if you like getting your red line, but this will just bounce off the red limiter, so it's like a real manual transmission in that sense. It's not going to override the shifts, which I like. Nice power through the corners. With the all-wheel drive system, you can get on the power a little bit earlier versus rear-wheel drive, because the all-wheel drive system will help pull you through the corners. And really, in the Pacific Northwest, when it's rainy like this, you have a 400 horsepower car with just rear-wheel drive. It'll be very rare that you'll be able to take full advantage of that power. Oh, sounds like an alarm's going off. It'll be very rare you'll be able to take advantage of all that power, because with 400 horsepower, just going to the rear wheels, it's going to quickly overwhelm those rear wheels in low traction situations. The traction control system's going to kick in, and it's going to reduce your performance. But with this Tesla all-wheel drive system, this thing just grips and goes. Here, we got a quarter coming up here. I'll take it, hammer the throttle, see how the VDC and the all-wheel drive system handles. Very nice. I was just hammering the throttle. So without the stability control settings, the all-wheel drive system, if it was just a rear-wheel drive vehicle of 400 horsepower, I would be spinning around in circles right now. But the VDC system, which ties the traction and stability control system together, and the Tesla all-wheel drive system, it really helps keep this thing in control. It has a yaw sensor as well, which will limit the amount of power going to the front wheels under hard cornering. This thing is got some real serious sports car pedigree. You have an all-wheel drive system from the R32 Skyline Godzilla. It's a racing inspired all-wheel drive system, and it will work wonders in this Q60. I actually have the same all-wheel drive system in my FX37, which is kind of like a crossover SUV, but it's still built on the same sports car platform as this one is. So it's a lot of fun too, even for a crossover SUV. I have a lot of fun launching it into corners, and it's a rear-wheel drive biased all-wheel drive system too, so I will let you wag the tail a little bit before reining things in and have a little bit of fun. Well, if you're looking for an amazing sport luxury sedan, something that you're not going to see every day, you want to feel special, you want to get a lot of compliments and looks, well, go no further than a Q60. Any of the Q60s are beautiful, wonderful vehicles, but if you want the absolute best version, you have to go with the Q60 Rev Sport 400 like this one. And the Tesla all-wheel drive system is highly recommended, especially if you live in a wet, snowy climate. Especially if you live in a climate that gets snow or a lot of dampness like here in the Pacific Northwest. Well, the fun is over way too soon. I wish I could take this thing out on a road trip. I could drive this thing all day. All day comfort. You have an amazing Bose sound system, great navigation system, a highly adjustable seat. This thing is designed for all day comfort and all day fun. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.